You are going to love the 2024 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.